If you're looking for a light and tasty pumpkin recipe, then this one is perfect for you. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare baked pumpkin, fast, simple and absolutely delicious. Cut the Hokkaido pumpkin in half. This variety is great because you can eat the skin, plus it's packed with beta-carotene and lots of essential vitamins. Scoop out the insides of the pumpkin and set the seeds aside. Later you can toast them in a hot pan. They're perfect as a crunchy snack or even as a topping for soups or salads. Cut the Hokkaido pumpkin into evenly sized wedges, so they cook evenly and perfectly. Besides Hokkaido, butternut or muscat pumpkins are also great for this recipe, as both have delicious and edible skins. If you have a baking paper, lay it on the tray. Drizzle a bit of olive oil on top, so the pumpkin cooks evenly on both sides. Now place the pumpkin wedges on the tray. Make sure they're not overlapping and there's enough space between them. Grab some honey. Yes, you heard me right. Honey on pumpkin. It adds a lovely sweetness and caramelizes beautifully while baking, making everything taste even richer and absolutely better. Now add a bit of thyme. I used dried thyme, but I recommend fresh because it has a stronger flavor. The thymol in thyme has also antibacterial properties and can help with colds. Pretty useful, right? The same goes for rosemary. Fresh is better, but dried works too. Plus, rosemary is super healthy. It helps with circulation, boosts digestion and can even relieve muscle and joint pain. Garlic is a perfect addition here. Grab a cloth and peel it. I slice the garlic thinly to release more flavor and scatter it between the pumpkin wedges. You can also leave the cloves whole with the skin on. It gives a milder flavor, requires less work and still adds great taste. Sprinkle some freshly ground black pepper, it adds a gentle kick. The Hokkaido pumpkin comes from Japan and takes its name from the island Hokkaido, where it's very popular. A pinch of salt is a must to bring out the best flavors. What's your favorite pumpkin recipe? Share it with us in the comments, we'd love to know. Drizzle a bit more olive oil over the pumpkin to keep it juicy and enhance the flavors even more. The oil helps keep the pumpkin tender and makes the final dish more flavorful. Now bake everything at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. This autumn recipe is one you won't forget anytime soon. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any recipes. Check out our creamy pumpkin soup too. Thanks for watching and see you next time!